Shine. We back at it with another video, and today's video is going to be a jam-packed video full of a whole lot of goodies, a whole lot of modifications, and a whole lot of stuff, as you can tell from the title. But we'll get into that all later, talk about it, all that stuff later in the video. But right now, let's get into our last drive being in it. Man, I don't even need no truck for real. You can see I got the skinnies right there. I got some meats in the back. I got some wheels in the back. You know what I mean? But, you know, we'll get into this later. Just like that, got all the wheels and tires mounted. Working on the last one over there. We in the game. One last look at the 5.0 with its current setup, wheels and tires included. Cause once I get this car back, I'm gonna shake the game up, man. I'm gonna go real crazy with the build. It's gonna be a whole nother car by the time I get it back. A whole nother car. Racing, dropping the car off to get supercharged. Again, we're getting a fuel system, a clutch, MGW short throw shifter, the PAXTON Supercharger Kit installed, injectors. We getting everything. Everything's gonna be done to this car, so it's gonna be a whole nother car when I get it back. So y'all stay tuned. Show you what you're working with.
Weeks later.
Damn, Flim dog. picking the camera up the next day, the day after I picked up the car yesterday. I just want to give a huge shout out to DNG Racing for hooking up the car, you know, installing all these parts on the car, making sure everything's good and all that. Just want to say a shout out to him, and I appreciate it. First initial reaction with the car is that the car sounds so amazing. The car sounds so good, kind of just going through the gears, and you can hear the little supercharger whistle and everything like that. My clutch feels great. It's just more firm than the stock clutch with that new Vengeance clutch. And then my MGW short throw shifter, it shifts great. Like, you know, my throws, they're shorter now, and it's just a lot more firm than the little sloppy stock shifter and all that. And it just feels like I have a brand new car. Like, I'm in love with the car again. I mean, it was nothing wrong with the NA and all that, with some of the stock parts and everything like that. But when you upgrade and you add boost and you add in all these other different parts, it just makes you fall in love with the car. And it just, I love the car. I love the way it's driving. I love the way it sounds. And it's just, I don't know. It's just, I don't know. It's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy. Like, look at it. Like, just look at it. Like, the car goes crazy now. But let's get more into depth on the parts and stuff. So starting with the supercharger, I have a PAXTON Supercharger. This is the 2200 SL version. This one doesn't have the heritage gears. This one has the, you know, it's kind of the basic one. It's not that loud as the heritage gears would be, but I mean, it still gets the job done. Look at that. You can see the intercooler poking through right there through the little grill. I mean, look at it. I mean, we have the turbo guard on it, so we didn't have to use the stock airbox, and you know, it just gives it more of a cleaner look. And you know, we see we got our UPR catch cans. I will be adding another catch can to go from right here to, you know, kind of reduce the little blow by that gets the oil that gets pushed back into the engine. So we'll be adding another catch can and kind of be like relocating it over here. We'll be doing that. It'll be another UPR catch can. And I mean, I didn't upgrade my manifold. I went with a stock manifold. You know, there was nothing wrong with it. No need to go port it right now. Then for my fuel system, we went with the Forge Innovation return style fuel system. So, you know, we got a brand new fuel system. We have the FC2 controller in the back seat. So, you know, we got all new fuel lines and everything like that. Look at it. Look how clean it looks. You know, just a real clean install right here. I appreciate that, DNG. Shout out to him again. But install for everything, supercharger, fuel system, and everything like that, and all the other engine components, just a clean install. Everything clean. Everything clean. So kind of moving along to the outside of the vehicle, as you can see, we have the weld wheels. You know, we have the Weld Ventura S155 wheels with the chrome lip with the black spokes on the inside of it. As you can see, the chrome lip matches the chrome supercharger. As you can see, I went with that look. You know, y'all know I like to color code everything now. As you can see, like I say, just everything clean about the build. You know, we got the skinnies up front. You know, we got the big meats in the back and the her. You feel me? Like, this is a clean look. This is a clean look. Didn't go bead locks in the rear. It was no point. Didn't want to pay the extra money, but you know, we still look oh so clean. I mean, just look at it. Just oh so clean. Just, man, I go crazy with the build, by the way. If y'all didn't know, but y'all, because y'all follow me. Excuse the mess in the inside. Still ain't clean the car out since I got it back. But as you can see, we go MGW on the shifter. I mean, I love it. I love it. The throws are shorter. The shifter is nice and firm. It ain't got no sloppy play in it. And the shifts are, I mean, they're crisp. You can't miss a gear. You can't miss a gear with this shifter. And then with my clutch, I went with the Vengeance Stage 2 clutch with a steel braided clutch line and everything like that. So you know the clutch is more firm now. It has a better grab, has a better grip to it. I mean, it's good. I still got to break it in. I only done drove the car roughly over probably like 100 miles. That's including like the data logging and everything like that, and just doing like some little city driving. But I mean, I love the way the car drives with the new clutch, and I love the way it shifts with the new shifter and everything like that. Let me try to answer this question before y'all flood it out in the comment section. I don't know how much the car makes. I'm not sure. I haven't been on a dyno or anything like that. I'm tuned through line. And just looking at similar setups around, you know, the internet and that other people have and everything like that. On 93, the car would make about 750 wheel on 93. So I'm assuming on E85, which I am on, the car should make over 800 wheel. So I'm gonna just say a little over 800 wheel. That's what I would hope. That's what I would hope with the type setup I have and everything going on with the car, all the modifications and everything like that. I would say above 800 wheel is what the car is making right now. And we will be hopping on the dyno for sure to confirm that number. That'll be at a later date, later time, you know. But we will be hopping on the dyno with this car to see how much it makes boosted. You know, we will be hopping on the dyno for the other Mustang, for the 3-valve, to see how much that car makes cammed and full bolts on and everything like that as well. But that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. I appreciate y'all tapping back in with me, you know, going over the boosted car and everything like that. Y'all comment down below what y'all think of the car. Just comment down if you think the car looks good, or if there was anything you would change with the setup or anything like that. You know, make sure to like the video and all that. Comment down below what y'all want to see next with this car. We will be having a POV first reaction with the car once I finish my breaking in the car with the clutch and everything, doing my break-in miles. We will be dropping that video. And y'all know, make sure to share the video and all that good stuff. Subscribe if you haven't. We have just went over 1,000 subscribers. You know, I appreciate every one of y'all who has subscribed and who's been engaged with the channel and everything like that. I really appreciate that. You know, we're only going to continue to keep going up. But, you know, Young Shine out.